Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unlock the Pixel 6a and long press any empty area on your home screen to reveal launcher options. Press Settings or Home Settings. This is where the search bar lives. If you see Widgets and Home Settings, tap Home Settings. Otherwise, open the Google app and tap More Than Settings. You do this because the search bar is controlled either by your launcher or the Google app. Making the right entry choice saves time and prevents accidental resets. Once inside Home Settings, locate the search bar or Google bar toggle and disable it. That removes the persistent widget. If you didn't find it, open the Google app, tap More, choose Settings, then Home Screen and turn off Show on Home Screen. Make sure to press back and view the home screens. The bar should vanish instantly. You do this because Pixel's launcher or the Google app controls the bar, so toggling the correct setting completes the action. To finish, confirm the bar is gone and rearrange icons as needed, then restart the phone to apply lingering UI changes. If the search bar persists, clear the Google app cache or update the Google app. Sometimes an old build hides the toggle. As a last resort, install a different launcher and set it as default. That immediately removes the Pixel launcher search. If problems continue, make sure you haven't enabled any accessibility or widget lock that prevents removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.